Pigs here. Filipino native pigs. This is a Filipino native pig. Hello, how are you? This is for the Christmas season. Now, getting ready for the Christmas season. Under, we put this pig under the mango tree. So there is a mango tree, there is a pig. I put pigs under the mango tree. These are my chicken. Chicken. So another pig here. Free range pig. There's organic pig. Piglets. Getting ready for December season. Lechon. Filipino lechon. During the Christmas season, we are raising them so that we have beautiful